Cellulose-rich food substances are considered an essential component of a balanced diet of human beings. Which one of the following is the correct statement about cellulose? The cellulose digestive being converts cellulose into fibers. Cellulose breaks down easily into smaller components which are digested as roughages. Human beings do not have cellulose digesting enzyme. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate which gets absorbed in the human blood and gives energy. The correct statement is A. The cellulose digestive being converts cellulose into fibers. Question number 2. The joint between head and upper jaw is an example of hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pelvic joint, and fixed joint. The correct answer is fixed joint. Identify the correct statement. The fresh water stored in the ground is less than present in the rivers and the lakes of the world. Water shortage is the problem faced by the people only in rural areas. Water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields. Rain is the ultimate source of water. Which of the statements are correct? You have to find out. 1 and 3, only 4, 1 and 2, 1, 3 and 4. The correct option is C, 1 and 2. That is, the fresh water stored in the ground is less than that present in the rivers and the lakes of the water. Water shortage is a problem faced by people in rural areas. The assessment in science should focus on precise definition and correct answer, the understanding of concept and processes, getting accurate results by conducting the experiments, the ability to draw neat and clear diagrams. The correct answer is C, getting accurate results while conducting the experiment. Which of the following makes good open-ended question? What difficulties would we face if our bodies did not have muscles in it? What is the difference between the stem of a rose plant, mango tree and tulsi? Snake and snail have very different styles of movement. Why it is so? Observe various roots and write their features. The correct answer is C, only one. That is, what difficulties would we face if our bodies did not have muscles in it? So good open-ended questions here we need to find out. Which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? Vinegar, lime juice, salt water or distilled water? The correct option is D, distilled water. Medium A is optically denser than medium B. Which one of the following statement is true? Speed of light is more in medium than in medium B. Speed of light is more in medium B than in medium A. Speed of light is same in both A and B. Cannot be compared. So question number in this one's option B is correct. Speed of light is more in medium B than in medium A. We are not crushed under the weight of atmosphere because the pressure inside our body is more than atmospheric pressure. The pressure inside our body is more than atmospheric pressure and cancels the pressure from outside. The pressure inside our body is less than atmospheric pressure. The pressure inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure and cancels the pressure from outside. The correct answer is D. The pressure inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure and cancels the pressure from outside. A block of iron dropped in a vessel of water sinks to the bottom. This is because the vessel is not deep enough to allow the block to float. The weight of the water displaced by the block is less than the weight of the block. The weight of the block is less than the weight of the water displaced by the block. The density of the water is more than the density of the block. The correct answer is option B. The weight of the water displaced by the block is less than the weight of the block. 10th one. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? A drum vibrates with a low frequency and therefore it produces a low pitched sound. A whistle has a high frequency and therefore it produces a sound of higher pitch. Generally, the voice of a man is shriller than that of the woman. A bird makes a high pitched sound whereas a lion makes a low pitched roar. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So here incorrect statement we need to find, and the correct answer is C. Generally, the voice of a man is shriller than that of the woman. Next, 11. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Husk is separated from heavier seeds of grain by winnowing. Statement 2. Difference in the size of particle in the mixture is utilized to separate them by the process of sieving and filtration. So here you have to find out, you have to read the statement, you have to select the correct option. Option A is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. And option B is both statement 1 and 2 are true. Option C is statement 2 is true and statement 1 is false. And both statement 1 and 2 are false. Here the correct answer is B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. The pressure in a fluid is at rest, acts only in a vertical direction, acts in all direction, acts only in downward direction, acts only sideways. So the correct answer is C. Acts only in downward direction. Which of the following statement is true about image formation in a plane mirror? The image is larger in size than the object. The image is formed at the same distance as the object. The image is laterally inverted, or the image is virtual. So in case of a plane mirror, you have to find which statement is true. So the correct option is B. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these are true. Okay. All of the following are single cell except zygote, hentai, embryo or paramecium. So your correct answer is C, embryo. Read the following examples from daily life. Select the appropriate option. When food gets spoiled, it produces a foul smell. A slice of apple acquires brown color when kept out for some time. Right? This is also true. When an act binds, calamine is used to ease the irritation of skin. So here in this, you have to select the correct sentences. 1 and 2 represent chemical change. All are chemical changes. Second is a physical change. First and second are physical changes. So the correct option is C. Second is a physical change, because a slice of apple acquires brown color when kept out for some time. So this is a physical change. Okay. A teacher places a lighted candle on the table in the classroom. He later covers it with a jar. The candle stops burning after some time. Air is required for keeping the candle burning. Oxygen is required for keeping the candle burning. Of the above three statements, what is true? We have to write. Only statement 1 is an observation. Statement A and B are observation. All the statements are observation, or all the statements are inferences. So the correct answer is option A. Only statement A is an observation, because the candle stops burning after some time. So this is nothing but an observation. Which one among the following questions would be an open-ended question? Why do we slip on a banana peel? Why would happen if force of friction cease to exist? Why it is easier to roll a barrel than to slide it on a flat surface? How do banked curves on roads prevent skidding? So your correct option is option B. What would happen if force of friction cease to exist? So this is an open-ended question. Next, question number 18. Which one of the following statement is true about the laws and theories in science? Laws are generalized description of the relationship among observable phenomena, and theories are explains for the observable phenomena. Theories become laws when validated. Theories are found in biological sciences only, and laws are found in physical sciences only. Theories and laws are the same and perform the same function, except that laws are briefer from the theories. So the correct answer is option A. Laws are generalized description of the relationship among observable phenomena, and theories are explanation for the observable phenomena. Question number 19. A science teacher wishes to assess students on different process skills. Which one among the following tools would be the most appropriate for her? See, here we need to find out different process skills: interview, questionnaire, observation, schedule, or paper pencil test. So the correct answer is option C. That is observation schedule. Which one of the following should be not be an aim of a science education at upper primary level? So your option is relating science education to everyday experiences of learner, nurturing the curiosity and cultivation of scientific temper, inculcating values, presenting facts of science to the learner. So your correct answer is D. Presenting fact of science to the learner. This should not be the aim of the science education at upper primary level. Okay, an object is vibrating at 5000 hertz. The time period of the sound produces is, here you need to find out the sound produces. So 0.005 seconds or 0.0002 seconds, 0.5 seconds, and 0.02 seconds. Here you need to find out the time period of the sound produces. So that is, your answer is option B, that is 0.0002 seconds. Consider the following terms: lightning, landslide, thundering, tsunami, floods. Earthquake can cause 1, 4, and 5, 1, 2, and 3, 2 only, D and 2 and 5. So your correct answer is option A, 2, 4, and 5. Select the correct statement regarding rods and cones in the human eye. Cones are sensitive to dim light. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Rods can sense color. Rods are sensitive to bright light. So your answer is B. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Which one of the following planets has no natural satellite of its own? Uranus, Venus, Jupiter, or Mars? So your correct answer is option B, that is Venus. Good science education should fulfill some basic validity. Which one of the following validity is not appropriate is most appropriate fulfilled by the concept of shadow formation in class 6 syllabus at upper primary level? Process, environmental, content, or cognitive? So your answer is D, cognitive.